Hey there, it's me, Isis, and I am back with another message. It's been a minute. I've had some health things going on that I had to really kind of sit down and take care of. Literally sit down and take care of it. But as I'm going through these health things, you know, when you get older, sometimes it's just going to be part of life. And there are always things that you can take care of ahead of time. So you don't have to suffer as much as you get older. So, you know, side note, cut out the fast food, all that greasy stuff, too much salt, no fruits, vegetables. Don't do that. Choose you. So when you get to be older, then you won't have any kind of issues like that. You'll already be ahead of the game. Some other things that I learned from having this health issue go on is that, you know, when you fight against things like pain or changes, your body tenses up like it's ready to fight, you know. When things come near you, you're all tense and you're like, no, I can't, you're holding on, right? But what you have to do is let things move through you. Let things literally move through you. And that means you have to relax yourself. You know, almost like how if you're floating in the ocean or in a pool, what you do is you breathe and your body just floats up automatically. You don't have to do anything except breathe. And that's what it is with life too. You don't have to do anything except breathe and relax, and it's gonna flow through you. You know, sometimes pain is gonna flow through you. And guess what? Even if you're breathing and relaxed, it's still there, but it's not taking over you. It's not being made worse by you holding it or holding on to it or fighting against it. So, you know, relax, breathe, and float, okay? The last thing I've learned in this time of uncertainty in this time of my own wellness, on my way, my transition from unwellness to wellness, is that sometimes those things are cracking open at you. They're like cracks that kind of tell you where you need to make changes. And there's this saying that goes, you know, the cracks were filled with gold. And there's also another saying, it's like the cracks are how the light gets in, how the, you know, the love gets in. So just know, any cracks that you might have in your body, in your mind, let them be, because that's where the light gets in. That's where you can fill them with gold if they're not exactly what you want. They help you to expand and be better. So don't let those cracks fester, okay? Let those cracks be a way that you can heal and be better, okay? So it's always something. I love you guys, and I'm on the mend, and I'm gonna keep reaching out to y'all. I wanna do things a little bit differently. What I really haven't talked about is what I actually do is I'm a spiritual mentor, vocal alchemist, those type of things, as well as an herbalist. And so I'm also a DIY queen. And so I want to start showing you some of the things that I'm going to incorporate into my daily life. So tune in, stay tuned. I love you guys. Stay well and let that light in and float. Breathe. Okay? I love you.